Hey, what's up, Android? This is JT from Breast Media, and today I'm going to continue the last episode of Android sub app development tutorial, where we already have created the main screen and login screen. And today I'm going to start with. So this is the layout I have prepared for the new user registration section, and we'll convert this page template to XML layout in Android Studio and add the function to run their activity in Android Studio. So let's begin with the Android Studio. So I already have opened the uh, recent project where we already have created activity main and activity login. So here I'm going to add some additional string resources for the user registration. So registration message, that is okay, we can copy from the Facebook new user registration. Let's capitalize it or ignore it because I already have used all caps. True. So we have first name, last name, email address, password, confirm password, and contact number. So let's add the resources here. So it's caps lock and string name, first underscore name and first name. The next one is the last underscore name, and we can use last name. The next one is the email underscore address, and we will use email address. The next one is the password. So it's not confirmed, this is password, and the string value is password. Another one is confirm password, and value is confirm password. Next one is string contact number, and we will use contact number. Alright guys, the string research is almost ready, and next one I want to use it the register button btn underscore register and register. Okay, so we have all of the necessary string resources. So there is some mistake user login here in my layout, so it's a register and it's okay. So now let's add another new activity, that is empty activity, and let's name it register activity and finish it. So during this synchronization process, I got the cradle operator also, so it's taking a little bit more time. Okay, the process is almost complete, and let's check in the activity registration and go to the text view. As we are using the linear layout, so I am going to replace the constraint layout with the linear layout. As usual, I am using the similar background screen, that is screen BG, which is white gradient, or it's a grayscale gradient. So here I'm going to use the linear layout for wrapper, match parent and match parent, and I am going to add the margin for 10 dp. So it will take the top, bottom, left, right margin, which is 10 dp. Now I'm going to use the similar layout from the activity login, so it will be easy for us because we don't need to add more code. So we can copy the logo, image view and text view from recent design. So I'm using the same design here. All right, it's okay. So I forgot the orientation here. Let me add the orientation. Orientation is vertical, so it's okay. And now let's change the text view, which is not a user login, it's a string user registration, I think registration message. Okay, so we have one text input layout, which is user first name, and first name wrapper. Let's change it to user first name, and the string to first name. Okay, I color it red. I'm going to add the hint color also, so it will be more clear. So we have a different layout here. We are using two columns, so I'm going to add a linear layout to wrap the first name and last name as our design. So linear layout here, and match parent, wrap content, and we need to add a layout sum here. So layout sum is 2, uh, and orientation is not vertical, we need horizontal. So it's ready here, so cut it and paste to here, so that we will have a two column. So let's change it to 0 dp and add the weight to 1. So we have happy screen of first name, and we'll add the last name here. So let's add Android support design. We get text input layout, and it's 0 dp, and wrap content. Now we need weight. Weight is 1, and let's give it a margin 5 dp, and add an id to as uh, user last name. Okay, I want to use user last name wrapper, so let me add the edit text first. It's a match parent, wrap content, and I'm going to give a id here, user last name, user last name. Okay, so input type is text, then hint is at string, user last string last name, and text size is 18 sp, and color, hint color is color red. Okay, we have two column here, and now we can add another text layout, input layout. So we get text input layout. This one is the match parent and wrap content. So add margin here, which we already have been defined 5 dp, and Next one is the ID, and the ID is uh, user email address. Okay, so now edit text is a match parent and wrap content. Then we will use id is user email address, so it's similar, so let's change it to wrapper. And let's have a input type, that is text email address, and hint is at string email address. So text size is 18 sp, and text hint color is color red, so it's fine. Now we need another 2-column layout, so I am going to add another linear layout here. This is match parent and wrap content, and let's use weight sum, that is 2, and orientation is horizontal. So inside linear layout we can use the input layout, and this one is the 0 dp and wrap content. Now let's set weight to 1 and give an id is password wrapper. So let's use edit text here, match parent and wrap content, and we need id is at plus id user password. Then we need input type, that is password, text password, and hint is password. Then text size to 18 sp, and text color to color red. Okay, we have a password field, and now we need another field, that is confirm password, and let's use the another text input layout where we will use match parent and wrap content, not match parent and wrap content, it says 0 dp and wrap content. And let's use the weight, that is 1. So let's give it an id, that is this one is the confirm password wrapper. So we can add the edit text field here. Okay, edit text, match parent and wrap content. Let's give it an id, that is user confirm password. So I'm writing it in short form conf. So input type is text password, then text size is 18 sp, and text hint color is color red. So one of the thing is we are not writing text, it's not text, it's a hint. So let me change it to hint. So only two field left, that is phone number and register button. So match parent and wrap content, let's give it a ID that is contact number wrapper. Okay, contact wrapper, and edit text, match parent, wrap content, and ID is contact number. Let's use the user contact number. So we are using user in all of the field. So input type is phone, and the text size is 18 sp, and the text hint color is color red, and the hint text is string contact number. So we have all of the input field, and I need an button here. So button, match parent, wrap content, and ID is at ID btn register. So the text is btn register, I think. So it's btn register, and not text color int, its text color is color white, and it text size is 20 sp. So I think it's ready. We have complete the layout here. So some of the layout have been hidden in preview, that can be seen in emulator. So let's add some code to run the activity here. In main activity, button sign up dot set on click listener, new view dot on click listener. So we have override method on click, and now intent equals to new intent main activity dot this, and register activity dot class. So I mistake the name here, I write RAGIST here. So start activity intent. Okay, so we have done. We have some error here, register activity that this is not a class, means I am using here this, so it is giving me error. So change it to class, and let me just refactor the activity name. So we are going to rename it to register, change to RE, and refactor it so it will sync. Okay, now I think it's complete, and we can run the emulator. So Gradle build is running. Okay, the app is installing now in our emulator, and let's wait for the app to be online, and it's running here. Let's go to the new user registration here. Okay, so we forget to set the background to register button, and most of the thing is okay, and we need to remove some of the margin. Remove the margin first. So I want to set it 40. That will be fine. And again here also 40, so that we can see everything. And now I need to add one more thing here, that is background, and background is btn login busy, and it's fine. I need to add a little bit margin here, so margin top is 10 sp. Okay, I think it's fine, and I can rerun the app in emulator. Okay, we have the app running here, and this one is the user login. We don't have work on back button, and this one is new user registration, so everything seems fine, and I think it's complete here. So in the next episode we'll use the Java code to register a user and login activity, and for the backend we will use a Firebase real-time database. uh, it's all for today. Thank you guys. Thank you for seeing me. Have a nice day.